Good morning guys. Mag-breakfast na muna kami before our itinerary for today. Nandito kami ngayon sa medyo sikat, Michelin Star. Ang sikat nila dito is yung kanilang pad thai. But we ordered spring rolls also. Alright, so what can you say about the food? Nahiya siya guys. Masarap ba?
Super sarap.
Super sarap.
Medyo spice lang sa konti. Pero tolerable.
Actually, for some reason, lasa siyang spaghetti. Pero sarap, parang siyang lasang seafood pasta. Okay, we are at the next stop. So by the way guys, our day 2 is a food trip day. So lahat ng mga medyo recommended restaurants ay pupuntahan namin. So ito ay madalas walking distance lang from one another. I'll leave a link ng mga stores and every detail down in the description, so you check it out kung gusto ninyong i-follow. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe. So we will be trying their garlic prawns at saka yung kanilang omelette, crab omelette. So antayin lang namin order. Medyo mas matao than usual dito. Kaya pagpasensya nyo na yung audio. Pero yeah, kasi talagang kilala sila. Diba sabi nga nila, go where the locals go. So dito, puro locals. Alright, I'll see you guys in a while. Guys, tikman natin ang kanilang crab omelette. Iwan muna natin as is, walang ketchup. Regular lang. Okay naman siya. Malambot. Sakto lang yung pagkaluto. Masasabi ko lang, masasarap na may ketchup. Pero yung crab mismo, maganda yung pagkaluto. Hindi siya dry. And nakita nyo naman guys, ano siya, kumbaga mainit pa, sooner hindi dry. Good. Tikman natin ang kanilang garlic prawns. Sabi ko guys, yung sa unang sa day 1 tour natin, yung prawns nila iba itsura. And kung makikita ninyo, yan, dahil fried to, mas kitang-kita. Mas mahaba yung galamay niya than yung regular Filipino na na shrimp. Yan, pero ang lasa niya, guys, nakita. Kuha tayo ng sauce.
最多我请你们不然点了2个咖啡都这个人民币80块钱。
Top. Crawfish or lobster yung texture. Medyo siya, may bite, chewy. Pero pa rin naman, hindi naman ganun hindi siya tough. Chewy nga lang siya. And guys, so ubusin mo namin to and then we will be back dun sa next na pupuntahan namin. we're gonna try one of the Michelin star mango sticky rice. Actually, kung mapapansin ninyo, which is, ngayon ko lang rin napansin, yung mango nila dito, medyo pale compared sa mango natin sa Philippines. Pero, apparently, yup, very fresh. Alright, let's try. By the way guys, lahat ng mango sticky rice dito, literally ganito yung tsura. May coconut cream, nuts, tsaka mango. We are now our last destination for the day. This is the most aesthetically looking cafe. It's called Bubble in the Forest. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga Instagrammable place, kung saan pwede mag-picture, yeah, this is the place. Makikita nyo sa background ko, you can see, you could actually stay there. Like, it's part of the theme nila na you can have your merienda, your coffee in the middle of the pool, and yung pool niya sobrang blue, as you could see, sobrang blue niya talaga. So yeah, I guess we will have our coffee. Food here is actually, surprisingly, it's very affordable compared dun sa mga iba. Yeah, medyo malayo talaga siya. It's about 20 to 30 minute na drive via Bolt. We will have our merienda / dinner dito, and then we'll go straight back to the hotel. It's a long day tomorrow, and stay tuned for day 3. Alright guys, bye bye for now.